How to unlock FRP on Oppo K12x 5G. Latest 2025 updates step-by-step guide in English. Important warning: this method is only for your own personal device. Using it on a stolen phone is illegal and can lead to jail time. FRP bypass will erase all data from the phone, so take a backup if possible. This method works even after the latest Android 14-15 security patches in 2025. But success depends on the exact software version, build number. I'm giving you the clone phone app method, no PC required, which is currently the most reliable for Oppo K12x 5G in 2025. You will need one additional Android phone. Requirements: another working Android phone to transfer apps. The locked Oppo K12x must be connected to Wi-Fi on the FRP screen. All data will be wiped. Step-by-step guide, clone phone method. No PC. Connect to Wi-Fi and open Quick Share on the Google FRP verification screen. Connect to Wi-Fi. Tap the exclamation mark next to the connected Wi-Fi name. Choose Share gives Quick Share. Open Chrome browser. Tap Continue gives 3 dots, gives Settings. Tap the blue link. Learn more about Quick Share. Again, 3 dots gives Share Article. From the pop-up select Chrome. Choose Use without an account gives No thanks. Repeat the share process once more gives Chrome will open permanently. Reach the home screen in Chrome, type and go to techeligible.com menu. 3 lines gives Download. FRP Tools gives Access Device Settings. Scroll down gives Home Screen and Lock Screen gives Home Screen Layout. You will now reach the actual home screen. Open Clone Phone on the locked Oppo. Open the pre-installed Clone Phone app. Select This is the new phone. Give all permissions, gives Other Android. A QR code will appear on the screen. On the second Android phone, install OnePlus Clone app. Download Clone Phone OnePlus app from Play Store. Open it. Gives Agree and Continue. Enable all permissions one by one. Modify system settings. Manage files. Display over apps. Usage access. Location, etc. Keep tapping Allow until you reach the QR code scanner page. Connect both phones and transfer app. Use the second phone to scan the QR code shown on the Oppo K12x. Connection will be established. On the second phone, uncheck All apps gives select only one very small app, 15 MB, gives tap the checkmark. Tap Start Migration and wait until it finishes. On Oppo, Done gives skip everything until you reach the Color O's Start screen gives Get Started. Factory Reset from Settings. Go to Settings gives Additional Settings gives Backup and Reset gives Reset Phone. Choose Erase All Data gives Confirm. Phone will restart. Complete the setup wizard normally. FRP is now bypassed. Alternative method: if the above doesn't work, emergency code method 2025 working. On FRP screen gives connect Wi-Fi, gives tap emergency call. Dial *number 813 hash or *number 812 hash gives OK. Home screen will appear instantly. Go to settings, gives about phone, gives tap build number 7 to 10 times developer options enabled. Back, gives developer options, gives enable OEM unlocking. Settings, gives additional settings, gives backup and reset, gives erase all data, gives reset phone. After reboot, set up the phone normally FRP removed. Note, success is not 100% guaranteed, depends on the exact security patch. Try at your own risk. If nothing works, recover your original Google account or visit an authorized service center. Let me know if you get stuck on any step.